Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on Everline's YouTube channel here with another wig review. And today we got this wig by Outre and it is the Perfect Hairline collection. This is very much new and her name is FREYA. She is, well, she was 22 inches and I cut a little bit of it, but it is this cute little half blonde half brown moment and it's very much so giving. And if you don't know, this is a 13x6 unit, so the Perfect Hairline collection comes in 13x4 and 13x6. This is a 13x6 unit, so you get to lace ear to ear, and then you got a 6-inch deep parting all the way down. So you could do a side part, middle part, you could do ponytails, whichever, but I chose to go with a middle part today with very much so dramatic baby hairs, as you can see, and it's giving. She is transparent HD lace. It says no plucking required, but I ended up plucking some anyway, and it is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I didn't put no heat to it besides curling the baby hairs and using the hot comb. The hair is really soft. I got some shedding, but that was only when I plucked the hairline. I haven't really gotten none since then, and I even cut the hair, so I haven't really got no shedding. And this is how the stock card looks in the middle. That's the same color. As you can see, it's a little bit different on me. I did cut some layers into it, gave it a little something, and I did cut a little bit. I didn't cut that much from it, to be honest. It's still pretty much the same length. I just cut some layers into it so it looks said shorter. The lace is very good. It blended into my skin amazing. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. Don't clock my makeup. But she blends in pretty well. Like when it say HD transparent, she is HD transparent, okay? So yeah, it's very much so giving what it's supposed to give. It was a little scary at first. But once you play with it, you finesse it. You gotta really play with these units, style them to be your own. Like I don't never wear the wig straight out the box. Like it's rare unless I'm in a rush, but for the most part I never wear my wig straight out the box. I always customize it to how I like, especially when it comes to units that are a little bit wavy or curly. I always end up cutting layers into it or something just because it'd be too much. Like it'd be so bland, but when you cut it and you style it to your own liking, you get a feel for it. It'd be cuter. And I really like this. I like the length. It's not too long on me, and I really do like that because longer units tend to shed more, especially if they're colored, but this I haven't gotten that from it, and I really like it. I'm gonna keep this in for a minute, y'all go see me rocking it. Well, if you follow our Instagram and stuff, you're gonna see pictures and everything. But yeah, I think this wig is a 10 out of 10, especially if you finesse it, do some styles with it, don't wear it straight out the box. You can create some really good styles with this wig. It's very cute and it's different as far as this color. And if you guys like this video and if you like how I styled this wig, because you do get to see the before and after, so if you do like how I styled this wig, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you would like to purchase this wig, make sure you click the link down below in the description box so you can purchase. If you guys like this video, like I said, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you follow all our socials. They'll be linked down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.